Hey loves, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mabel, and right in this video I will be telling you about this soap, Kojie Sun Skin Lightening Soap, the do's and don'ts of this soap. So if this sounds like something you would love to enjoy, then stick and stay. I will be back shortly.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you.
Beauty Bellcito.
Think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Beauty Bellcito, glow beyond glamour.
Alright, welcome back. If you're new here and watching me for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I post new content. And if you are a returning subscriber, I am most grateful for passing through. Kojie Sun Skin Lightening Soap is manufactured in the Philippines by a company called Bevi, that is Beauty Elements Ventures Inc. Now, the main ingredient of this product is kojic acid. Kojic acid, we all know, is widely used in the cosmetic industry to fade dark spot, eczema, dark marks, discoloration, and other skin-related problems. It's a byproduct of fermented rice wine or soy sauce. Kojic acid comes in two forms. We have kojic acid in its pure state and kojic dip or kojic dipalmitate. The difference here is that kojic dip or kojic dipalmitate is more stable to heat, light, and oxidation. When you use kojic dipalmitate in your formulations, there is no way your skincare products are going to change color as compared to the kojic acid in its raw state. With the kojic acid, the possibility of your skincare products turning from yellow to brown is high, but with kojic dipalmitate, it stabilizes your formulations. It makes other ingredients more stable in your formulations, and because of its efficacy, it is widely used in most skincare formulations. Kojic dip or kojic dipalmitate is more expensive than the kojic acid in its raw state, and kojic dip is also more effective. It lightens and whitens the skin more than the kojic acid in its raw state. If you see kojic dip or kojic dipalmitate and kojic acid in any formulation or anywhere, you should know that this difference is just slight. Okay, kojic acid is the acid in its pure state, but the kojic dipalmitate is just a reaction derived from kojic acid and palmitic acid. So when you put the two together, it goes through a chemical reaction and the result is the kojic dip. And when it comes to color, the kojic dipalmitate is whiter than the kojic acid in its raw state. Now let's come back to the Kojie Sun Skin Lightening Soap. Now, like I was saying, the main ingredient is kojic acid, and it also contains Cocos nucifera, that is coconut oil, water, sodium hydroxide, fragrance, glycerin, xanthan gum, and a whole lot more. So like I was saying, it's being manufactured and distributed by Bevi, that is Beauty Elements Ventures Inc. And it says that Kojie Sun Skin Lightening Soap uses high-grade kojic acid that effectively makes skin lighter. It has zero pigment light technology that targets dark spot and uneven skin tone. I know there are fakes out there, so I'll make another video to explain to you or to guide you on how to identify the fake from the original. So in the meantime, let's talk about this. It comes in a very beautiful orange color. I love the color. The smell is just mild and it doesn't belong to the sweet scented family. Okay, if you want to compare the Asante soaps and then the nano soaps to this one, trust me, you may not like the smell. Another thing I will say about this product is that it lathers very well, but not as much as the Asante and the nano soaps. Now, when it comes to clearing of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, I will say it does the work. It does the work very well when you get hold of the original, but it is not a fast action product. It does the work very well, but it is not as fast as you may want it. Okay, it takes its time to work. Like I said in one of my videos, soaps do not do the major work. They don't do the most as compared to other topicals like body lotions and body oils. Okay, so soaps are just cleansing agent. We use them for just a short period of time and then we wash them off, we rinse them off. You have to be very patient because it takes its time to work. You may not experience that fast action result when you're using it alone, unless you add other topicals to achieve maximum results. In brief, let me say it does the work it says it does, okay? But it's a slow but sure move. It will do the work, but you need to be very patient. Now, when it comes to skin lightening, of course, it lightens the skin, but still not as much as you would want it. You will still need topicals like lotions and oils and exfoliation to achieve results. So you can use this on your face or on your body. I love the way it feels on my skin, and I would say it's giving me value for money. Another thing this soap can do that you don't know is clearing of body odor. So if you have a strong body odor, if you know somebody who is battling strong body odor, you can recommend this soap. Let the person use the soap day and night, and trust me, even after the first wash, the person is going to see results. Okay, the person is going to see results, and I am 100% sure about it. The only thing I don't like about this product is that it dries the skin after bathing. It dries the skin after bathing, and I don't know what it is about Thai soaps and Filipino soaps that they keep drying the skin after every shower like that. But what I would tell you is that I'm sorry. What I would tell you is that you will need to moisturize your skin properly after every shower to prevent your skin from getting dry. If you want to use this soap to get rid of dark spots, it's very simple. Just apply it onto wet face and use your hands to massage very well, massage gently onto the face, and wait for 5 minutes before rinsing off. So after rinsing off, you can decide to use your regular face cream or facial cleanser, or you just leave your face like that. If the dark spots are on your body, you can do same by applying the soap on wet skin. Okay, massage it into the skin properly and wait for 5 minutes. Don't exceed 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes before bathing or before rinsing off. So while doing this, you have to exfoliate the skin as well. Make sure you don't expose yourself too much on the sun. If you would walk on the sun or expose yourself to the harsh rays of the sun, simply wear sunscreen, because this contains kojic acid, and kojic acid and sunlight, you will burn. Kojic acid coming into contact with the sun, be assured that you are going to go darker. When it happens like that, you may not get the results the soap tends to give. So avoid sun exposure. And if you want to use it to get rid of dark knuckles, it's also simple. Just apply it on the affected areas, your elbows, your dark knuckles, okay, and leave it on. You see, wet your knuckles first. Create a fist like this. So wet your knuckles first and then rub it all over your knuckles and your elbows, your knees, your toes, and massage gently and leave it all for 5 minutes before you wash off or before you take your bath. Okay, so you can do this morning and evening for maximum result. I made a video on one serum you can use to fasten the process. Okay, that is the Pima Dew serum. You can grab it and then use it to exfoliate the darker areas first. So after exfoliation, then you wait for 2 weeks before using your soap on those areas. Wait for 2 weeks after the areas have peeled completely, then you can start using this soap on the areas to maintain your knuckles. So you can use it to maintain your knuckles as well. Always bear in mind that this is not a product that is going to give you a fast action result. It works gradually, and if you are patient, the result is always beautiful. So that is all about Kojie lightening soap, Kojie skin lightening soap. Like I said earlier, I will make another video to guide you on how to identify the fake from the original. So thank you very much for watching. If you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video.